All right, guys, when it comes to our turn signal, a lot of students will often see them take their hands completely off the steering wheel, and they use their turn signal by putting their entire hand on the turn signal. Keep in mind, it does not matter what vehicle you're driving. Every vehicle has it designed where the steering wheel is within finger length apart from your turn signal. So all you have to do, some students use 2 fingers, some students use 4 fingers. But what you're going to do is make sure that you maintain control by holding onto the steering wheel. Now, I don't have my other hand on the steering wheel because I am showing you and holding my camera. All right. So again, if I need to make a left turn using my fingers, okay. If I need to make a right turn using my fingers, but my full hand does not come off the steering wheel. All right. Another tip is, if you struggle with your left and your right, wear something that's going to help you. So I have a bracelet on my left hand. All right. So that reminds me, bracelets on my left hand, my wedding rings on my left hand. So this is my left side. Another thing is you can write L or R on your left and right hand. That way that you can remember your left from your right. And then last but not least, if you think about whatever direction my steering wheel is going, my hands are going to naturally touch the turn signal and the direction it's supposed to go. So if I need to turn left, my wheel again is turning left. So where's my hands going to go? Pushing down to turn left. All right. If I need to turn right, my steering wheel is going to do what? It's going to turn to the right. So if I'm naturally turning to the right, where's my hands going to go? Up. Okay. Turning up, which makes it go to the right. And I know I said I had one tip, but here's a little musical tip. All right. Some of you may or may not know this person. Her name is Beyonce. She sings this wonderful song. Is called To the Left, to the Left, to the Left, to the Left. It's about breaking up with someone and stuff like that. Typically when people break up with people, what? They're sad, right? They are down. So to the left, I'm down, right? To the left, I'm down. All right. So that might help you if you guys are like all into music and everything. But those are all of our tips to help you understand how to use your turn signal, turning on the left turn signal and turning on your right turn signal.